Tired of your important project files getting lost in endless email chains? Let's ditch the chaos and dive into how to easily upload files to Basecamp. First things first, navigate to the project where you want to upload your files, then find the Docs and Files section. It's usually located in the main project menu. Click on it. Now, for the super easy drag and drop method, simply select the file or files you want to upload from your computer and drag them directly into this area. Basecamp will automatically start uploading them. Alternatively, you can click the New button, which usually has a plus sign. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload File. This will open your computer's File Explorer. Browse to the location of your file, select it, and click Open. Once uploaded, you'll see your file listed with details, like who uploaded it, and when. Basecamp also automatically handles version control. Each time you upload a new version of the same file, it keeps track of the previous ones. Don't forget to add a description or tags to your file. This makes it easier to find later on, especially in larger projects. Just click on the file name, and you'll find options to add details. And that's it. Now your files are safely stored and accessible to your entire team, ensuring smooth collaboration and efficient project management. Thanks for watching. #Basecamp tutorial #file sharing.